Welcome back, I'm Adrian, welcome to What the Pun. Today I will be giving you all a very quick update on the MK5 Golf GTI project and also be changing the N80, also known as the Purge Valve, on the GTI as well. So firstly, if this is the first time you've tuned into What the Pun and you're not too sure what's going on, here's a quick update for you. So I've recently purchased a MK5 Golf GTI. It's relatively high mileage and it was very cheap. And because it's high mileage and it's cheap, there was going to be some problems with it. So the main problem with it being that the car idles a bit rough. So to start off with, to try and resolve the rough idling issue, we started off with running diagnostics on the GTI, then went ahead and started a service as well as changing some parts on the GTI as well. So service basically included a oil change, oil filter change, spark plugs, changed some of the coil packs, and part we changed was the PCV valve. After this was all done, the car started a lot smoother, sounded better, but still idled rough. The PCV valve was changed mainly because it's a common part that fails on the MK5 GTI. Some of the common symptoms you would get with a bad PCV valve is engine misfiring whilst idling, poor fuel consumption, oil leak around the PCV valve, check engine light. So, which is why it was changed whilst we did the service, because we kind of thought it may have resolved the issue, but obviously not. Next up, before I throw in the towel and give up, the next thing that we decided to change was the N80, also known as the Purge Valve. It is a common part as well that fails on the MK5 Golf GTIs. A bad one can cause the engine to run a bit funny, as it does affect the air-fuel mixture in the car. So this is how we changed it. As you can see, relatively straightforward and easy part to change, but sadly not the fix for the rough idling issue. So after doing a bit of research, it looks like it could potentially be the fuel injectors that need to be replaced or fixed to resolve the rough idling issue. Mainly because over time the fuel injectors get blocked up and it affects the spray pattern, with the injectors, which therefore can't be the result of my rough idling issue with the Mark 5 GTI. So I decided to leave this with the experts to do, and I'm not going to change the fuel injectors myself, as I'm trying to keep this within a budget. And if I was to replace each individual fuel injector, it can be relatively expensive per injector. So the GTI is going off to VRT in Slough, who have been a VW specialist since 2010. So not only will they be, what they'll be doing is basically reconditioning completely the fuel injectors or in the car, in the GTI, and as well as that they will be doing a walnut blasting of the intake valves on the GTI as well. So hopefully the next updates, when I pick up collect the GTI, it should be in a much healthier mechanical condition. Fingers crossed. For now, that is all from me today. Hopefully the next time you see me, we'll have some good news about the Mark 5 Golf GTI. If you don't want to miss any future updates on the Mark 5 Golf GTI and any future videos that's coming up, make sure you click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. For now, that's it from me. Take care. See you all next time. Bye bye.